What's up, boys? ActGod here, coming to you with some more high quality League of Legends gameplay. Today we're going to be playing, oh yeah, Lulu in the mid lane. More particularly, Machine Gun Lulu. Full attack speed. Yeah, crit Lulu. Actually broken, played it a couple games now, and it's pretty poppin', if you know what I mean. Going to be playing against, I'm pretty sure, an Orion in the mid lane. Not sure how this matchup goes, but hey, we're Machine Gun Lulu. We're gonna do some good stuff. I was thinking, oh, this guy's name is Legend Riven. He must be a really good Riven player. 300 games, 51% win rate. Yikes! Not sure if you should keep playing Riven or not, man. Kind of a garbage win rate. Yeah, it's positive, but yeah. But anyway, just gonna start a Q here. Get that early poke off. Oh, are you ready for these scripts? Oh wait, ready? Minions have spawned. Just kidding. But yeah. Start a Q, get the early poke. Farming's pretty easy because it's kind of like a double auto attack thing you get on your auto attacks. So yeah, it should be pretty good mid lane. A lot of people disrespect the damage. They don't understand what Lulu is capable of mid lane. And I'm gonna show you guys. What we're talking about here. Probably gonna max my Q, then my W, the polymorph second. But yeah, we'll just. This is gonna be a full commentary, by the way. Full gameplay. Wow, I'm bad. Oh, okay, that's good. Just gonna farm it up. Oh wow, feels bad, man. We are playing that pool party Lulu skin. It's one of my favorites. They actually just played it in. I watched SKT versus Cloud9 this morning, and they played. Smoothie played Lulu. Did pretty good, but they did ended up losing. Sorry for the spoiler, but it was a pretty good game. But SKT is SKT, so I mean, what do you expect? Not doing bad farming. What is she? Yeah, we're pretty even. She's probably gonna catch up on these next minions. I do got Thunderlords for Keystone, so we got pretty good burst actually. It's not too shabby. Nice, nice. Drop a ward. See if we can pick up the. Oh! Never lucky, man. Never lucky. See if we can. Oh, yeah. Tag her a little bit. Not bad, not bad. Nobody's died yet, knock on wood, so that's decent. This Twitch is still not in game, which is a little unfortunate. So bot lane's pretty much gonzo, but that's alright. That's alright, I'm gonna carry. I think we're gonna go. I'm actually not sure where we're gonna go first. Maybe a Runins or a rapid fire cannon. Either way, I'll probably go Shiv second item. I'm telling you guys, don't doubt me now. It's a solid build. You guys have never seen anything like it. Well, actually, I've seen Solar Next and Only. He played a little bit, and I think Night Blue did too. And it's pretty solid. Lulu, you don't really see Lulu in the mid lane anymore, but she used to be playing the LCS in the mid lane and in Worlds and stuff a couple seasons ago. So I'm not sure why they stopped playing her. She's just a really good support, I guess. But not sure why they stopped playing her in the mid lane. Oh, I probably could have shielded myself. We're gonna drop a sword in this top side. I saw Shyvana by the top lane. She's gonna drop a ward too. Alright. Wow, lag. CSing's pretty easy on Lulu, actually. So not too bad. Not today, boy. There's a lot of minions, so it's hard to go for a good trade without losing. Oh boy. I think that's Tom Kent's. Is that Tom Kent's jungle? No, it's Warwick jungle. Well, never lucky. Enemy team always gets first blood. Nothing new. Yeah. Bummer. Ooh, not a bad little trade there. Well, the Twitch reconnected, but we'll see if we'll actually be able to play or not. I'm not sure what's going on with him. We are a little bit ahead in CS. We might actually be able to get a kill here. poke. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna back off here. I don't know where the Warwick is. Wow, they already got first turret. 5 minutes in. Yeah, not going so hot. Yeah, I do gotta be careful, so don't wanna. I do got my ultimate though, so I got a lot of survivability. Still ahead on this farm. They did just kill dragons, so I'll drop a ward. Fruitman's not doing too bad top lane. Oh. Ooh, speak of the devil, as I say it. Well, at least Riven picks up that kill top lane. I think we're gonna back off of this one. We got a wave pushed in, so yeah. What are we gonna go for here first, though? That's the question. Of course, they don't give you the build; they give you this. We're just gonna go for rapid fire cannon. We're gonna get the zeal item first. We're gonna just grab boots. Let's get out of here. Ooh, I didn't get to see it, but good stuff. We're tied up. This Twitch is so behind. Level 2. Yikes. Yeah, they need to be careful. Maybe he can catch up and we'll be alright late game. It is a Twitch after all. It's a pretty big wave. I'm gonna try to pick up as much as possible. That Riven is overstaying a little bit. Yeah, she's probably gonna die. I'm running full attack speed runes also. If you guys are wondering why my attack speed is so high. Good damage. We'll pop a pot also. We can look for the kill here. Get out of my house, nerd. Yeah, I don't know where Warwick is, so we're just gonna back off. Yeah, Twitch is dead. Sona heal. Oh man, bro, silver. What am I playing in right now? But anyway, we're gonna get our. We'll get that. We'll grab a couple pots. We'll grab a control ward too. Alright, we'll head back to lane. Oh, actually, we're gonna go bot lane. Minions not OP. Feels bad, man. Yeah, they're gonna be out of here. I don't want to take this guy's farm, so I'm just gonna head back mid lane. Kamiya, I don't know if she went top lane or not, just to be safe. Oops, didn't mean to do that. We'll drop our control ward right here. Drop our other ward, get the cannon. Ooh, baby. I'm not gonna be able to pick that up. Farm as much of these as possible. Warwick's top lane, just ping. A lot of people tunnel and they don't even see. Oops. We should need a blue buff. I want that blue buff. Ooh, psych. Not today, boy. Oh, that actually hurt. We'll pop a pot off of that. We do have our ult almost up too, so. Ow. And I have my ult, so I'm not too afraid. I do have my ult. Yeah, I got you, fam. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you die on my watch.
An ally has been slain.
Well, that's not good. Wow, I walked right into that. Garbage. GG, dude. I told you, dude. Typical Riven. Ooh, picked it up. Picked it up. Yeah, we do need to be careful here. She still does have ultimate, I'm pretty sure. She could probably one-shot us because I don't have my ulti. We'll just farm this wave. Then we'll back. I tried juking. Yeah, she could. Yeah, we're just gonna back. Play it safe. She gets a little bit of damage on the tower. That's alright. Don't want to risk it. Alright. Oh, we're just gonna sell our Dorn's ring. Are we gonna have enough? Nah, we're gonna wait. 5 gold, that's alright. Grab our rapid fire cannon. We'll probably go Runins and then static shiv next. That'd be pretty solid. I mean, really, Triss is the only one we gotta worry about. So, I mean, if we can just get to late game, I think we'll be alright. I mean, Twitch is farming up, so. We're coming down. Sona? What? We're not gonna be able to get anything. Oh man, J4 is dead. He's got double buffs too. That's gonna suck if he loses those. Alright, he gets out good. Nice, nice. Shyvana's mid lane. Oh, I see how you play. Yeah, what do you think of that, boy? Ooh, look at that attack speed. A little bit of crit in there too once in a while. I like it. Oh wow, that actually hit. Bummer. You see that damage? That's what I'm talking about, guys. This, no joke. Yeah, the lag. Mm-hmm. Typical excuse. I'm gonna dump this girl. Oh wait, just kidding. Okay. We're gonna ult this girl again. Go in, go in. Let's back up. Ooh, good Sona ult. Really good. Twitch is just greeting too hard. Yeah, unfortunately we're gonna lose the tower off that, but we do live, so that's not too bad. Yeah, that was a really good Sona ult. Alright. Yeah, we'll go for the Runins. Fucking, we'll just type it in here. Alright. We'll grab this and that. We'll grab another pot too. Can I scroll? Alright, he doesn't want me to buy pot. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna just mute the Sona. Don't really need to deal with toxic people. It's frustrating as it is, let alone other people just nagging you constantly, but yeah. Oh, they do get 2 dragons, so that's not too good. They actually didn't get this mid lane, which was kind of stupid on their end. We all back. There was a free mid tower. Try to, yeah, we're gonna miss a few here, but alright, picked it up. We are tied on farm. Ooh, close. She is lagging, maybe we can take advantage of that. Yeah, I'm gonna back up actually. I'm gonna pop a ward right here. She definitely is lagging because she's not doing anything. Ooh, popping off, baby. That was a really good job on J4 there. Yeah, we barely made it out of there. Ooh, almost got her. I don't feel bad she's lagging. Not at all. That's not good. Alright, we're gonna back. Nice, nice. Alright, we'll be able to grab a Zeal. Ribbon's just AFK farming top lane, that's alright. As long as she gets strong. Grab our Zeal. Actually, we're not gonna go those. We're gonna go, yeah, the attack speed. Ooh, yeah, we got some pretty good attack speed right now. Twitch is inting bot lane. Typical. Yeah. We should probably go, maybe, I'm probably gonna have to go, like a tank killing item. I can't think of the names of any of them right now. Because they do got 3 pretty tanky people. So they're gonna be pretty hard to deal with late game. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh boy. What you think you doing, boy? Don't mess with me. Yeah, we need to punish her for being so overextended. Nice. That's really good. Max our W. Yeah, we can definitely get this girl. Nice. I didn't want to waste ult there. Ooh, baby. Popping off, boys. I got so lucky there. He was like, I was like 1 HP. Yeah, we're gonna back. I was literally 1 HP and I was gonna ult. See, this is why I saved my ult. See, I knew I was doing something right. Oh boy. Don't touch me. Oh wow, that was close. Oh, where's Runins? Where's Runins? Yeah, it's gonna go down. That's alright. Grab a couple of these bad boys. Regrets. Oh, is that the Twitch again? Yeah, he must be having some lag issues or something. As long as we don't lose this, then we're okay. Yeah, we killed that pretty quick, actually. We're getting pretty strong. And we only got 1 item and we're already this strong, so. I didn't have my ult. That was bad on my part. Might be. Yeah, I went a little too ham there. I'll stop. What a bunch of babies, dude. Alright, we got our runes. That's pretty good power spike. Once I get my shiv, I'll be pretty strong. I do need a little bit of survivability though, so I might go like Bloodthirster. Is that stupid or what? Nashor's Tooth would actually be pretty decent, but since I'm going full AD, I don't want like or I could go like a Ginsu's a Rage Blade. That might be decent. Okay. Yeah, they're gonna get dragon. What to do? Oh, that didn't hit her. Oh, they got 3 dragons. It's unfortunate. Just gonna drop a ward here. Ooh. Look at that wave clear though. Yeah, it was kind of like fenced off there, so there wasn't a whole lot we could do.
Your team has destroyed.
Oh wow, he just barely got away. She's gone. Ooh, look at that wave clear. This Riven's just pushing top. Yeah. Get out of my house, boy. Nice. Let's probably kite this guy out. Baby. Yeah, they're actually throwing so hard. Alright, we're gonna go back, start working on our Shiv. Yeah, I should be able to get tower, no problem. I got no mana, so. Alright. Yeah, we'll grab this. We'll grab a control ward. Why does that not scroll up all the way? We'll grab a couple pots.
Enemy rampage.
Oh. Yeah, she's dead. I'm coming though, so. Okay, she made it out. That's good. We are pretty strong. I can 1v1 this Tristana so easy. I am pretty squishy though. I think he was lagging there. I don't feel bad. Sorry, man. Don't play League if you're lagging. That does suck, though. I know what it feels like to be lagging mid game. If this guy wants to 1v1, he's gonna get clapped hardcore here. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't want none. Yeah, I see you, bro. Yeah, bro, I see you. He's pretty tanky. Just kite him out. Yeah, she needs to get out of there.
Rampage.
Ooh.
Double kill.
Wow. That flash was so bad. I was out of frame too. I was gonna try to ult a Riven, but I'm a monkey. Ooh, nice. Oh, not so nice. Wait, nice. Nice. Twitch coming back in the game strong. 600 gold. We got our Shiv. That'll be, if you know what I mean, baby. We got the second most farm in the game right now. Not bad. Yeah, this is actually such a good build. It just, well, I don't know if it's a good build. It feels like a good build. It's actually like super fun to just full attack speed like this and get the crits and stuff. But yeah, I am pretty squishy though. That's the only downside. Unless you can kite and use your polymorph well, then if you get jumped on, it's pretty hard to get away. I mean, your polymorph is your only thing to really. I mean, you got speed ups and stuff, but it is a little hard. Pick up mid tower, not bad. I do want the blue buff. Some 15 seconds. TP bot from the Shyvana. Oh wait, what the heck? Oh my goodness. Typical Riven. Farm this out. We do got a Shiv, but can't really back right now. Ooh. We're actually so annoying. Alright, they're all going towards Dragon. This is an easy fight to win. Oh wow, they already did it. Holy. That's what I'm talking about, being squishy. I'm gonna go back and get my Shiv. She actually like 3/4'd both of us. Yikes. Pick up our Shiv. What are we gonna go for next though? We're actually gonna go for this. We'll go for the Nashor's Tooth. Alright, we get 90% crit, 1.84 attack speed. Not too bad. I think we're gonna actually go for a Phantom Dancer next. After Nashor's Tooth. I think that'll maybe be our fight. I don't know if Bloodthirster would be a good buy or not. Good fighting. Alright. Just gotta kite them out. I'm gonna clear the waves, they should pick that up. Okay, yeah, I'm coming.
Has been
Oh boy.
slain. Killing spree.
Alright.
Rampage.
Yeah, we can't do that. I'm gonna push this out a little bit. Somebody just needs to get that. I'll go top, I guess. Nobody else is moving. Alright. We'll grab that. This is giving us a little bit of AP, but that's not bad. It's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing. We probably could go Ginsu's actually. Ooh. The shift proc. Farm it up. Yeah, I can provide a lot of peel for the Twitch. Just the polymorphs can be really key in a team fight. She needs to be careful. They might be Baron actually, so I will push out bot since they're all top right now. Might as well, unless somebody comes here. What was that? Ooh, they should win that. Twitch gets there. I'm just gonna push out bottom. They're doing Baron. I don't do this incredibly fast though. Okay, they got that easily without me, so yeah, that's really good. we got a lot of gold on us too. She's just gonna die.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Yeah, we're outie. Alright, that was really good. I think we got enough for our Nashor's Tooth. Oh yeah. Let's group. Sweet. Sell this, and we'll grab Phantom Dancer here. Ooh, almost max attack speed. After Phantom Dancer, we'll have full crit, and I think we'll probably have full attack speed too. Nice, nice. This is a good example of Machine Gun Lulu this game. Yeah, our Twitch he came back into the game really well, so props to him.
It was hiding.
Your team has destroyed a turret. An ally
Yeah, that was bad on our part. And just 5 man. Yeah, that should be the plan, boys. Oh, grab our Zeal here. 100% crit, 2.3 attack speed. Not too shabby. Yeah, as long as they keep their buffs, then that's pretty solid. They're gonna get this dragon. They're gonna have. Oh no, actually they're not. They're just gonna push out mid and top. Fortunately, we don't really have anybody to cover top. Probably gonna pick up mid tower. Yeah. Ooh. Nice. Good catch.
An enemy has been slain.
No, I need it.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh, nice. Let's group. Coming, lads. I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming. I do got my ultimate. Just ult the Twitch. Ooh. Wow. Bro, I need that. I need 400 gold. I mean, I guess he is a Twitch, so. Savvy didn't really get anything off of that though. Kinda sucks, but that's alright. We do definitely need that Elder Dragon though. Just gonna grab these, and then we'll go grab my PD. Alright, we'll grab PD and we'll be at full build. I need to be careful. Grab this. Fun playing Smurfer Vince. This guy's not even good, bro. He's okay, but he's not. Nothing crazy. But yeah. We're actually. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think she's that great, personally, but.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
Come on. What you boys doing wasting time? Now they know. Okay. Holy, do you guys see how strong I am right now? Don't tell me Machine Gun Lulu isn't the most broken thing you guys have ever seen in your lives. GG, well played, boys. Ugh, not a bad game. Popping off on that Machine Gun Lulu. That's what I like to see, baby. We're gonna give it to Twitch. He actually came back really well that game. Nice, nice. S plus on Lulu. Hey, boys, that's what we're talking about. Damage done, second most damage in the game, right behind the Riven. 9-3, 17, 312 farm. Not bad, guys. If you guys enjoyed that video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do so. When yeah, that's Machine Gun Lulu at her finest right now. But anyway, guys, this is Act of God saying thanks for watching and catch you guys later. Peace.